Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can start Bombcrypto 2 on your PC. So the first step is to create Metamask wallet, and I hope you can easily do that. But the trickier part is to connect your Metamask with Polygon network. But let me help you, and it is also easy. So first of all, go to Google, search for add Polygon to Metamask. You will see a plenty of websites here. You can either choose the website from Binance Academy or the website from Medium. Let me use the website from Medium, and here you will see the information to connect your Metamask with Polygon network. This is the information that we will be required. All you have to do is just log into your Metamask and click on add network. Then you will be shown a window. Just fill these details and you will be able to add Polygon network to your Metamask. So let's move on to our second step, which is to buy bomb tokens. And for this step you need QuickSwap website, and here you will be able to connect with your MetaMask. And after connecting with MetaMask, you can just click on select token. Instead of writing the name of token here, we will paste the address, and for that we will use Bombcrypto's official website, and on the top of it you will see the address. Just copy it and paste it on QuickSwap. Then you will be able to see bomb token here. So get at least 10 tokens because it requires 10 bomb tokens for 1 B hero, which is about 3.2 Matic and $2.398. And in case you have assets on different chain on MetaMask, you can use multichain.org for transferring your assets from one network to another. So that's how you get Bitcoin. After that, the third step is to log into the game. So let's go on to the website and click on play now. After a while you will be able to log into the game and you can check the instructions for your help. Then connect the wallet. You can use MetaMask wallet or any other of your choice. So I will use MetaMask wallet. There are different modes, but we need to buy heroes first, and for that we need to go on shop, and here you will be able to buy heroes. One hero will cost you 10 Bitcoins. And this is how you start the Bombcrypto 2 game. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.